Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create an AI video only this Hailuo AI, and I will show you how the step by step to create particularly the AI girlfriend video editing. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step you need to do is you can open this Hailuo AI from your browser, and here I'm using the browser of Google Chrome, and this is the look when you are searching for this Hailuo AI. And as you can see, this will provide you the AI generated video, and also you can install it from your Play Store or the App Store. And also, this is the look if you have logged in into this AI. As you can see here, this AI will earn you this 300 credits to do the creation, and also how to get that credit. So you need to do the logged in first into your Google email, then it will direct you into this home page. As you can see, this is the section to do the prompt or to type your prompt, and this is the button to create or generate the video that you would like to create. And also these are the template and the example. And let's start to try to generate our prompt. I have prepared this prompt for you. So since we would like to create the theme of girlfriend video, so these are the theme or the prompt that I have prepared for you, and let's try to generate this prompt, create a video. It will take you a while to let this AI generate the video. So if you have any another recommendation about the AI that will help you to create or generate the video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below, guys, because we would love to see your recommendation or another suggestion, because this era can be really advanced to create the video without a really hard working to do. But we should, if we would like to create the high quality video, then of course we need to prepare the prompt very detailed, and this AI will also help you to create the video that you would like to post. And also, guys, what is the media social or social media that you really want to post your creation? Is there any other social media that, let's say, your video can allows you to make money to buy post the video AI? Also, you can let us know in the comment down below, because that can be the side hustle of us to make some money. And this is the look. You can enhance the camera movement by inputting natural language or inserting instruction. Okay. Oh, as you can see, the generation still needs a progress. As you can see here, there is still 51% to do the generation. Let's see, and also check the menu over here. this video can be presented in 6 seconds, and also the resolution is about 768 pixels. But if you would like to get the more access to create this to become 1080 pixel, then you need to upgrade this AI, so it will allow you to create the more quality of the video. And let's see the result over here. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself into your device, and please let us know if this AI also work for you guys. So that's all from me. If you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't be hesitate to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for this channel to watch more or another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.